Let me now make this into a full exploded orthographic, just to show you what it would look like. I've just mirrored those cheek plates across. So what we'd actually have is an offset centre line here. I've gone and put the top shear pin through, or the top of nut of the swivel pin there, but it's not the case. Instead, what they do here to make things obvious is they put in a distorted centre line, so that indicates there that that's where that goes. And we leave these so that's going to get copied from the centre to the centre. It's going to get copied from the centre to the centre. There you go. Okay, so there, that will be an offset section, or a start again speaking English. What you see now, this will be an exploded orthographic to show a tradesman how to fit it together, of course, once everything's sectioned. Let me go in and just section these things out now. Okay, somewhere in there's a line that's not touching. So I'm going to have to go around and clean this up. This will cause you grief at times as well. So I'll just extend lots of stuff to next. I'll just go through again with that end of the tab. So then just remove my lines and I'll just extend out that 18 touches. That's one. That's one. That's good. That's good. And go on here, it's just a match. Done. Delete unnecessary. Put on to what's necessary. That's necessary, that's necessary. Now go from. Okay. So there's that one sectioned, there's that one sectioned, that's symmetrical. Okay. There is everything sectioned. That is essentially an exploded orthographic that would show a tradesman how everything fits together without confusion. The question asks for a general assembly drawing showing a sectional end elevation, which is really what we're looking at here now, but all put together. So first up, I'm going to put stuff into layers. Then I'm going to draw the sectioned end elevation for you.